Dear friends, today we'll be starting with a new topic of computer architecture and organization. Now, as the name suggests, what is the computer architecture and what are the different components in the computer architecture? How these components get clubbed together to work as an organization and how the end user gets the desired output and result. The first topic which we'll be covering in this is overview of a computer architecture and organization. How does the computer architecture and the overview looks like? The second topic will be data representation and arithmetic algorithm. So when we say data representation, it means that how the data is represented in the system. Like we all are aware that computer understands the language of a binary language. It may be in the form of zeros and one. Now, computer processes the data which is given by the end user in the form of zeros and ones and gives the output, which is the desired output that has been required by the end user. The third topic will be the processor organization and architecture. As we are aware that processor is a group of families of processor that are working together to give us the desired output. It may be a 8085 processor to 8089 processor. How these processors are working together to give us the desired output and the result. The fourth topic will be the memory organization. Now, when we say memory, memory plays a very, very important role in case of a computer. Now, let us understand two tasks over here. One is multitasking, one is time slice. Now, suppose you are performing multiple tasks and that task is not getting saved. You have put all your efforts into coding, but your coding is not getting saved. What will be the output? The output will be straight away zero. So memory plays a very, very important role. It may be a temporary memory, it may be a permanent memory. The second term which we'll be looking into is the time slice. The time slice is you divide the entire time into small, small pieces where you divide your time according to the different tasks that are being associated with the computer. The fifth topic will be I/O organizations and the peripherals. I/O means the input and output organizations, how these organizations will be working together, give us the desired output and the result. And the last one is introduction to parallel processing system. Now, parallel processing is very, very important. Now, let us consider a case of parallel processing. Now, you are using a Windows computer where all your mails, it may be a Gmail, it may be a Yahoo Mail, Rediff Mail, all your mails are coming to you. The platform which you are using to see those mail on your laptop is Windows. Now, imagine that you are using an iPhone. The platform used in iPhone is iOS. Now, if the platform changes, does the context of your mail also changes? It is not. This thing is being possible because of parallel processing. How the parallel processing is being done simultaneously. So we will be going in depth in with regards to this topic in the topic number 6. Now let us go and start the first topic, which states an introduction to computer architecture and organization. Now, when we are starting this topic, there should be some learning objectives also assigned to it. So let us go with the first one. What is the learning objective? To describe the meaning of a computer system. How does the computer system look like? How does the computer system processes the data? How does the computer understand what we humans want to say and what is the desired output that we want? What are the different structure and functions of the computer? What are the different components of the computer? What are the different functions of the computer? How these are getting clubbed together to give us the desired output and result. The third one is, what are the different types of computer? It may be a laptop, it may be a desktop, it may be a PDA device, and so on. How we will classify the computers. And also to describe the evolution and history of a computer development, how the computers are being developed, how the computers have grown with the years. So, first let us understand what is computer. When you say what is computer, it takes the input, it processes the input according to the stored instruction, and it gives you the desired output. Now let us have a small example over here. Now you are preparing your assignment file. The file which you have prepared is in the Word format. After doing all permutation combination, attaching the video clips, everything, your file has been prepared. But at the same time, you are going to send this file to your friend, but you have a second thought that you want the file to get converted from PDF, from Word to PDF. You convert your file from Word to PDF, and the file is being sent to your friend in the form of PDF. Now, the question comes when your friend opens the mail in which you have attached that PDF. Will it be in the Word format or the PDF format? Definitely, it will be in the Word format. Is it true? No. It will be in the form of a PDF file. It will be in the form of PDF because you have changed the output from Word to PDF. So this is how computer takes all the precautions and it produces the desired output and result. Now let us see, how does the word computer came? The word computer was taken from a Latin word, computere. Now in Latin, they used to call it as computere, which had the meaning of calculate. Whatever you say, it will calculate and it will give you the desired output and result. The basic definition, when someone is asking you about computer, you say it's a machine that takes the input, gives you the output. Now, let us look at the formal definition of a computer. Computer is a machine that only can execute instructions that are given by the user, operate the database on the related instruction, and will process the data to produce the information. Now, first of all, you should understand what do you mean by a database. A data is a collection of record. Record is a collection of files. So data is a place where you store all the files and records together, which gets executed by the computer. Now, for example, our favorite browsing index or our favorite URL, which we use frequently day in and out, is Google. Now, suppose you go to Google and you write artificial intelligence. It will give you all the details with regards to artificial intelligence that is used in aviation, how it is used in medical field, how it is used in e-commerce and everything. That is how the data which is there in the computer gets processed from the database because artificial intelligence word is being stored into the database with different verticals who are using it to a very, very large extent.